Welcome. In front of me is HP ProBook 635, and in this video I will show you how to enable on-screen keyboard on this laptop. To do that, you can either use a combination of keys if you have access to your physical keyboard, of course, Windows, Control and O button at the same time, and this will enable the on-screen keyboard right away. But if you don't have the access to your keyboard, you can also open the start menu, then go to settings, then select accessibility settings right here, then go to the keyboard section and then switch this toggle to the right to enable on-screen keyboard. You can basically, this keyboard can be expanded, can be shrinked. Basically you can reshape it, resize it, drag in the corners or the sides of it. And the other way you can enable keyboard on-screen keyboard is by going into personalization, selecting taskbar, and then selecting touch keyboard, expand this list and change it to always. And this way you will be able to use the touch keyboard just by clicking this icon right here. So you don't have to go into settings each time you want to open an on-screen keyboard. Basically, this is usually used for laptops with touch screen, but you can use it normally with your mouse. You don't have the numpad here, and you can't really customize it, but it's usable if your physical keyboard is malfunctioning, for example, and you don't want to open settings each time you want to open an on-screen keyboard. So basically that's all of the options that you have. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.